All right, are you ready to get hooked on a one-of-a-kind scavenger hunt? Jim Griffiths is the publisher of Nautical Mile, a publication that is a wealth of knowledge for the local fishing community. And Jim is joining us once again this morning to invite you to a great event this weekend called Fish 36. Good morning. Welcome back.
Thanks for having me back here.
I'm so excited. This event now, just a couple of days away. You guys ready?
And you know what? We're ahead of schedule. Everything's on track. There's a whole house full of people coming over this evening to help some last-minute things, and volunteers have been tremendous. Support's been tremendous.
Yeah.
We're excited.
And this event, by the way, backed by popular demand. Talk about this fishing tournament. And, you know, Southwest Florida has a lot of tournaments. A lot of people love to fish here in our area. But this one really is different than all the rest. How do you describe what this is?
What's real different is it's point-based. So we don't have everybody competing for one big fish to get one big prize. If you caught a small fish or a big fish or any kind of fish, you would get points for it, and the points are traded for raffle tickets. And that didn't sound real impressive last year, but people walked into the barn at Cape Harbor, and there was over $20,000 worth of stuff on the tables, and they were so amazed at everything. They went out and tried to buy more raffle tickets on top of what they had, and it was just a big success. They had a
and you
great
talk
time.
about the community support. You say now the prizes that even just have come in over the last couple of days.
Sponsors have contacted us and asked if they could bump up their sponsorship because they've seen a lot of publicity. We got a $1,000 barbecue grill a couple days ago. A couple of bicycles have been donated this week, nice bikes. So these are just going to be more door prizes, more stuff. There's a lot of stuff.
If you can, real quickly, kind of break down the event. How does it work? Do you have to pre-register? Can you just show up? What do you...
At Friday, I'll be at Fathoms Restaurant at Cape Harbor from 3 to 7.
Okay.
And when you come to register, you get a bucket of stuff. And in the bucket's going to be this program. And what everybody wants from the event is they want the centerfold of this program, which I'll do a quick one on it. That's all you get.
One. Did you see? People are going to be rewinding it, pausing it.
There's a list of 36 fish, and then there's a few bonus points with some fun things to do, and you just go fishing at your convenience when you want. And
in
just
a
check them off as you
36-hour
catch them.
period, you can go out all 36 hours or just for a couple hours.
In the bucket, there's going to be items that need to appear in the photos to prove you caught it that weekend. Show us your pictures, get your raffle tickets. There's 7 food vendors. It's just a big party.
Yeah. Why did you want to put this event on? Why
it just sounded like fun. You know, it sounded like fun, and everybody supports the tournaments. There's a lot of fishing tournaments here, and they love them, but it was something a little bit different, and it was fun, and everyone just wanted to do something.
Kids can go on, you know.
A lot of people are bringing their wife or kids or their neighbors or people that they wouldn't take out in necessarily a serious fishing tournament, but this is something they could do out of a pontoon boat with a rented fishing rod.
You are also giving back. The Gulf Coast Humane Society is going to be able to take some of the proceeds, right?
We'll be able to write them a check for several $1,000s with this event, but mainly we want to get them some exposure because they want to open up a Cape Coral office, and this is getting them some good quality exposure for that, and it's really paying off for them.
You also wanted to send out a special thank you to a hero, kind of honor somebody. Tell us what this is about.
There's more than raffle prizes. We tried to get some things. If you get 300 or 400 people together, let's find a way to utilize that for some more good. So Sheriff Mike Scott was the presenter of this particular segment of the event, the sponsor of it, and we have a giant card that we had made, and we're going to have everybody sign it with a Sharpie marker. There'll be 300 or 400 signatures on it. It's about 4 feet tall. And as soon as you sign it, you get a specific raffle ticket for this incredible piece of art that you'll see at the event. But everybody that walks in the door gets a chance to win that. And then we have a celebrity coming in named Dallas Bell. She flies around and sings at football games and baseball games. Most people have seen her sing. And she's coming in with what she's going to call a hero, and we're going to present it to them in person. They don't know it yet. They'll be there, and I'll start reading their biography, and they're going to say, hey, wait, that's me, and then they're going to be the one. And I just wanted to do something to say thank you, because we all need to just thank our heroes just a little bit more.
Well, I want to thank you for putting this on. I know that it's a lot of work, but again, I know, right? It's fun, and you're injecting a little fun into our area with a great cause on top of it. So as we close here, if anyone wants to find out more details or make sure they're fishing,
the website has all of the information on it. I even put a link on there, and I told everyone, click the link that says everything. It's a one-page document. You print that. It has everything you need right in one spot.
Technically, you don't even need a boat for this, right? Can't you go fishing off of docks and piers?
People went off the causeway last year. They fished off the Bokeelia Pier. They fished off the Matlacha Bridge. And if you catch 5 or 6 different fish, you did good.
All right. Jim, thank you so much. We can't wait to hear how it goes. We know it's going to be a huge success.
I'm excited. Thank you.
All right. Well,